Alright, hi everyone and welcome. In this video I'm just going to demonstrate real quick how to compute a distance between 2 points on the state plane coordinate system. So what I have here is my little sticky note with the two stations, station track and station bill. These are both NGS CORS stations, and I have their northing and easting in meters for both stations. And then over here I have a image of the distance formula. So basically you're going to take the distance, or the difference, excuse me, between northing 2 and northing 1, square those, and then add that to the difference between easting 2, easting 1 squared, and take the square root of that. It's basically the Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to drag these off to the side here so I can type on my calculator. Now this calculator is not like my HP 35. Took a little bit of practice to figure out how to plug these numbers in and make it look, go smoothly. So anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to take the northing of track, 662,024.458. I'm going to subtract the northing of bill, 656,843.783, and I get the difference of 5180,675. Clear that. I'm going to do the same thing for the easting. Enter the easting of track 1855858.315 minus 19,24,378.208 equals 68,519. All right. So I tried to add the entire recreate the entire formula in one line in this calculator, and I couldn't make it work with the negative sign on that easting difference for whatever reason. So we know that we have to square it and square root it to get positive numbers. So I'm gonna use the 6815. I'm just gonna drop the negative because we know that that's our goal anyway. And then calculate the distance that way. So I'm gonna use parentheses 5180.675. And I'm gonna square that. Enter. And then I'm going to add that to 68,519.893 squared. Enter. And square root it. And I get 68,715.465. That's down to the millimeter. And just as a check, because that's in meters, 68,000 meters, I plug these two coordinates into my Trimble Access emulator, and I inverse between track and bill using NAT 83-2011 epoch 2010. And my horizontal distance on the grid is 68,715.465. So there's our check. The next video I want to do is demonstrate how to come up with the bearing on the azimuth doing the same thing. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was useful. Stay tuned for the next piece.